Alright, this is my second tutorial, and here we are going to try fighting with Orlan, because it's a quick ship, and you probably need to know how to fight with a quick one. Here I will teach you how to shoot in movement, and how position of your ship matters to amount of batteries you can shoot. You can see that that right now I have the green aim and the black aim. Black aim is the unavailable weapon. Orange means that it is moving, but available but moving. Green means ready to shoot. Okay, so now we are ready. You see that in the front of the ship only one battery is available, because second one physically can't turn to that point. So we turn our ship around, so the second battery can be active too. We target. We see the ship is rather far, so we have to target in the distance of half of this ship and shoot. Well, it's turning right, so we shoot. Okay, let's try here. You can target right on the nose, so the ship won't matter too much. You see, we are hitting. Okay, somebody took our ship. So now we turn around to shoot those ships. You can see the ship moving, so we aim just a little bit forwards. Oh, we can shoot down that one. You see, just touch it a little bit. Well, it's turning right, so we touch it on the ocean there and shoot in advance. Okay, sometimes everybody can miss. Good, we destroyed the enemy ship. Don't worry if you miss. Now you see the ship moving forwards. In 3 seconds it will be here, so we should there. Try a little bit more down. Yes, good. If ship is well, this ship is too far to shoot. You see, the last line doesn't let us target any upper, so we have to come closer. We switch maximal front and turn. Let's choose that ship to attack. Turn a bit right, so it's comfortable. Now decrease your speed, better stop, and touch it. You see it's moving a little bit left and to our side. Let's touch it here, because it will be here in matter of few seconds. Shoot a little bit upper and a bit right. Yes, it's turning on right to us, so we should less here, because it will turn more and go forwards. Yes, this way we can destroy the ship. So now we need to target that one. and turn around the island, I mean. I hope they won't take our ship before we ever get there. I think that one is just same small as we are. Well, if such a situation occurs, you can just turn back amongst your island. I think the ship is simply trying to survive. It doesn't care about the battle itself. The battle is long lost for them. If the ship disappears, it doesn't matter. It doesn't mean it is destroyed. Don't worry. Keep moving to its position. Here it is. Now decrease your speed and see it's moving fast, so you have to touch it further and shoot. Follow it. Good. So that was my second tutorial. I think it will be the most informative one. Okay, see you later.